There are many products available to choose electric can opener, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric can opener from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Can Opener. The Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Can Opener makes easy work of any size metal can. Crafted with an easy touch lever, there are no sharp blades on this opener, and it quickly opens cans with just the touch of a finger. Not only is it our top overall pick, but it's also the fastest can opener on our list. To use it, simply align the can with the opener and press the lever, which is sensitive enough to respond to a one-finger touch. Once activated via the lever, the motor of the opener moves around the top edge of the can, resulting in smooth, touchable lids. Since there are no sharp edges, the lid can easily be taken on and off the can. This is a helpful solution for leftovers, especially if you're not using a full can's worth of food at one time. Number 2. Bella Electric Can Opener. With its small footprint, sleek look, and availability in 7 attractive colors, hello, bright red or calming sage, the Bella Electric Can Opener is a great addition to any countertop. This corded opener needs to be positioned near a plug, but thankfully the base is less than 4 inches wide and doesn't take up too much room on a counter. Powered by a one-touch lever, the opener has an auto-turn feature, so the can will spin within the opener as the lid gets detached from the base of the can. No worries should any food or liquids get onto the lever, it's easy to remove and clean. Besides being an affordable can opener, this is a 3-in-1 tool that includes a built-in knife sharpener and bottle opener. Since this pick is best for a countertop, having a handy knife sharpener is a bonus. If you store it away, there's no show cord storage in the back of the opener. It's not a retractable cord, but it is easy to use. Number 3. Cuisinart Deluxe Stainless Steel Can Opener SEO 60C. Made of brushed stainless steel, the Cuisinart Deluxe Can Opener is an attractive and splurge-worthy electric can opener, but make sure you've got the strength to handle it. Weighing in at nearly 5 pounds and standing almost 10 inches tall, this opener is hefty. If you're choosing an electric can opener due to limited hand mobility or hand strength, this may not be the right pick unless you plan to keep it out on your counter at all times. This electric opener has a cord and needs to be near an outlet to operate. When not in use, you can store the cord in the back of the opener. There's an upside to the heft of this opener. It can handle cans up to 46 ounces, so it provides a nice counterweight to those extra-large cans of food. Plus, it's simple to use, just align the food can with the opener, press the lever, and the automatic opener unseals and opens the lid. Number 4. Handy Can Opener. If you're electric can opener curious, want a backup for camping, or are looking for a small model due to limited storage space, the Handy Can Opener is a solid choice. Even better, for the price listed, you get 2 electric can openers. While it may not last forever and has some limitations, this opener works well and excels at opening rounded can lids quickly and easily. The small size means it won't take up any precious counter space and can easily fit into a kitchen drawer, RV kitchen, or packed into camping gear. It runs on 2 AA batteries that are not included. To work this opener, set the can on a countertop, put the can opener on top of the can, move the opener to the rim of the can, and simply press the button. Keep in mind that this opener works well on round cans but struggles to open any cans that are dented, as well as those that are square or oval-shaped tins, the type that often holds canned meats or smoked fish. Number 5. Cuisinart Side Cut Can Opener. THS Cuisinart Side Cut Can Opener cuts along the side of the lid, leaving behind smooth edges and minimizing any contact with the food in the can. This model will work on nearly any can, so you'll be able to cook with ease. We like how easy it is to use this can opener as well. All you have to do is press down on the lever to activate the blade and the unit will take care of the rest. The can opener does measure over 9 inches high and weighs more than 2 pounds. It's a sturdy gadget that can easily manage larger cans. Just keep in mind that you'll need a bit of counter space for this can opener, so it may not be ideal, depending on your storage availability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.